Conversation 81, ready to go.
Are you ready?
Grace is still in her room.
She needs to rush. We don't have enough time.
What time does the movie begin?
It starts at 7:30.
What's the time now?
About 7:10.
There's no hurry. It only takes 10 minutes by car to get there.
I know, but there aren't enough parking spaces around the theater.
Well, I'd better tell Grace to hurry up. She can take hours to get ready. Conversation 82, an interesting movie.
I thought that movie was terrific, didn't you?
I don't know. It didn't seem to have any meaning.
Come on. It seems that you expect intellectual stimulation from every movie.
I just think that a good movie should have a central theme at least.
Yes. But it doesn't hurt you to watch a funny movie once in a while. Relax and enjoy it.
You're right. I'm too serious sometimes. Conversation 83, in the bus.
I see you reading Harry Potter. How do you like it?
I can't put it down. Have you read it?
Yes. In fact, I just finished it. The ending's great.
Don't tell me. I only have 50 pages to go.
Okay, I won't tell you who dies.
Don't tell me anything.
Okay, but I'm biting my tongue.
Good, bite hard.
Such a shame though.
What is?
That Harry dies.
Conversation 84, a new job.
Mr. Adams, have you seen this ad in the Recruit News?
Yes, I saw it. But I'm not interested in finding a new job. I've been here since I graduated from my university. I like working here.
Really? I've only been here for 1 year, and I'm already tired of doing the same thing every day. I'm afraid of getting really bored.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. Wherever you work, you have to do the same thing every day to a certain degree.
Well, what's more, I've been working about 10 hours a day since last month.
But you've been getting paid more money for it, haven't you?
Yes, but I'm not interested in making more money. I'm going to apply for another job.
What kind of job?
A secretarial job.
Well, good luck.
Thank you very much.
Conversation 85, a date 2.
Hello?
Sandy? Is that you?
Yes, uh-huh. Who's this?
It's Gil.
Gil? Gil who?
What do you mean, Gil who? Gil Dixon, of course.
Oh, Gil, I'm sorry.
Yes. We had a date last night. Where were you? I waited for 1 hour.
Oh, I'm sorry, Gil. I couldn't come.
Couldn't come. Why not?
Well, I had to pack my stuff for my trip.
Why didn't you call me?
I wanted to call you, but I couldn't remember your phone number.
And now I'm going to forget yours. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.